Hello everyone. Now we will do question number 3 of worksheet 3 chapter 10 parallel lines DAV. Draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter and we are to divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. What is the length of each part? So keep the scale in proper position. This is 0 and this is 5.5. This line segment is drawn, right? Now you can name it AB. As previously you have made on point A and B 60-degree angle, we can say acute angle. Make here also an arc keeping the compass tip on B below AB also. From here this is an arc of 60-degree and keeping the compass tip here, this is an arc of 60-degree. Draw this line and increase. Similarly here this is arrow and this is arrow. It is 2:3. So you need to add 2 plus 3, that is 5. So 5 arcs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 arcs here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we need to divide this line segment internally in the ratio 2:3. So before we join, first A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Here B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. 2:3, so we need to join A2 with B3, this A2 with B3 but with solid line, and the last A5 with B but dotted, A5 with B dotted and A with B5 also dotted, this way. This is you can name point P. A result is to be written line segment AB equal to 5.5 centimeter has been divided into the ratio 2:3 by point P. Point P is dividing this in the ratio 2:3. Now he is asking what is the length of each part. So we will measure it, length of AP, this AP, and then we will measure this also, length of PB. So take the scale. This is 2.2 centimeter, and now we will measure PB. This is 3.3 centimeter. If you add, it will be 5.5 only. So that way it is checked that our construction is correct. Now 6.3 centimeter line segment is to be taken. centimeter. I can name it AB. You may name PQ, anything. Again 60-degree angle as acute angle I am making on A. Below AB also the same procedure. Extend this line, this also. Now a ratio is 3:4. It means 3 plus 4 is 7. We need to cut 7 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. Below AB also we need to cut 7 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now let's name these. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and this is A7. And this will be named as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, and B7. Now a ratio is 3:4. So A3 and B4, they will be joined with solid line. And last A7 is to be joined with B dotted, and A is to be joined with B7, that also dotted. And this is a point P, you can name it P point. We will write a result now. A result, line segment AB equal to 6.3 centimeter has been divided by point P such that AP ratio PB, such that AP ratio PB, it is 3:4. In this question it is not asked to measure the each part, means we are not to measure AP and PB.